What's happening, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Wolfpack Show. I'm just jumping in on the Saturday, just giving a quick update of what's happening in the markets, and then we can enjoy the rest of our Saturday. So it's just going to be a very quick in and out, probably a 5 to 10 minute video. So I don't know if you guys heard what happened yesterday. Absolutely bloody insane. I can't believe we still have to deal with shit like this in the crypto markets. Yesterday, Bybit, one of the biggest exchanges out there, was hacked for $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum. Blows my freaking mind how we still have to deal with stuff like this. In the case, the hacker was very sophisticated and he got away with over 400,000 Ethereum. That's worth $1.4 billion. So if you can get the story on Grok tells you exactly what happened. Apparently what happened is the signees of Bybit that signs the multi-signature thought they were doing a normal standard transfer of Ethereum from a cold wallet to a hot wallet. The hacker lost the stuff. So they thought they were signing legitimate stuff. Meantime, they were giving him access to the cold wallet and he drained all of the Ethereum. It absolutely boggles my mind. In any case, it happens. And because it happened, you need to be careful of the trade that we were going to take on Lido. Remember, we were going to take an entry over there. After that, that hack, we decided not to take the trade. And I'll just see how the market digests this news in the next few days. So let's see what it does. If we can get back up, maybe an entry could still be. If it lingers down here, we'll probably dip back down to this area and then probably bounce from that area. But we'll just keep our eye on Lido. Same with Pendle. Pendle and Lido, very strong ETH protocols, so it will affect these coins. Pendle went in a bullish setup, As you can remember, I said this can probably still dip back down, and I probably think it will. We were looking at the bigger time frames, and if you scroll out, then we were hoping for this bounce over here. We didn't quite get that entry. That's why we went to a 4-hour, hoping that we can maybe get a 4-hour entry over here. But it looks like this will probably dip back down to this area. Then we're going to have to see if it bounced strongly from this high volume node area or if it's going to dip back down. So at the moment, just keep an eye on Pendle. It would have been a fantastic trade from day to day, 185%. Then, guys, I did take profit on Tile. I posted it in our trading group over here in the gain machine. Another one in the gain machine, Tile USD. If you took a spot trade, it was 31%. Gain, not too bad. I took it on 10x, so I got over 300% on that trade. Then let's quickly jump on to our other trades we're in, what we're looking at, and our longer term top 30 trades we're in. Bitcoin Cash, still going sideways. We were so close to being in profit. Unfortunately, news of yesterday's hack went back down. What's a good sign? This is getting to the oversold position territory where we can see another bounce. Deep, I was concerned about Deep, but Deep is getting a very nice bounce. I was concerned that we might have to close this trade for a break even, but glad to see that Deep is getting a bounce, and we'll just see how it reacts. Probably do something like this. This would be a good, give this chance to come back down, cross that, and continue to make an uptrend. That's the best case scenario that we looking for in Deep. And Sui had a small little dip. but also not too bad. We had a fantastic entry, still up in the trade. XCN, we got into this trade yesterday. It dipped back down slightly below our entry zone. Nonetheless, the good sign is this is pretty low on the stochastic RSI, very low on the normal relative strength index as well. What we want to see this get back above this VRVP zone quite soon. If it doesn't, then we stand a chance of dipping back down to this VRVP high volume node, which we will then lose the trade. But we've got some, we are in the golden pocket. We've got some low stocks, low RSI, so that's a good sign. Gola, not much happening there, guys. INJ, not much happening. I was hoping we get a bounce of this this SR flip area. We didn't. We'll just have to check and see what it does. If it still does something like this 4-hour 200 comes, we close above it, this trade will be on like Donkey Kong. Right now, we're just tracking it. Went over Pendle, went over Lido, TKX. This baby has left the train station and coming back for another entry. Velo, looking very interesting. I would love for this to just, I'm going to have to start front running some of these trades. Lots of times I've seen it come inches away from my strike price where I went to get into the markets and just miss it by inches and go on its merry way. So I will probably keep Velo on next week's watch list. During the course of the weekend, I'll compile a new watch list of high quality setups that we will concentrate on next week. So I've already got a very sophisticated, in-depth process where I scan through the markets, the crypto markets for high quality setups, which normally go then on my watch list. In my trading course, I teach you how to compile this watch list yourself. And just a quick show, the trading group is $30 a month, very cheap. Probably one of the cheapest trading groups out there you'll find. But here's the kicker. If you join the trading group, you'll get my trading course probably worth $500 inside our Discord for absolutely free. So let's quickly go over our longer term trades that we are in on the top 30 but cryptos. If we went over, still going sideways. XRP, still a nice profit, still going sideways. ADA, still going sideways. We went over Sui, Litecoin. Keep on rejecting of this high resistance area over here. Like I said, we'll probably be stuck in this channel for a bit. If we lose the channel, then I'll probably consider taking a little bit of profit I have. If we stay in this symmetrical ascending triangle pattern, I'll stay in the trade and then we'll get a very good long-term trade. Ton coming back down, not too concerned about this. We'll see what it does when it reaches our entry. Pretty much just doing something like, if you can do something like this, it's a nice little flag and continue, that'd be super. Went over Bitcoin Cash, Uniswap. When it comes to our entry zone, I'm going to close this trade for break even. Then same with this one. Saw a nasty dump after the hack of yesterday. We saw quite a huge sell-off of a lot of stuff after the hacks of yesterday. And it's the last thing we needed, this hack, guys. This cycle has been so freaking difficult. As soon as we think the worst are behind us, we can continue to the upside, then something else happens and just slams us back down. Mentally, physically, it's been exhausting, this cycle. but we will get through it. I mean, we can't complain. We've got some killer long-term trades. We've got some killer trades cooking, and we're really doing very well. How's Sol doing? Let's have a look here. Sol getting closer to the zone where I would consider taking a nice little position. So that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. I'll probably catch you tomorrow again for a quick update. Trade well. Stay rich, my friends. See you tomorrow.